In war, the horizon is one of your worst enemies, and in the same time, one of your best friends. And in this video I will explain why the horizon is important for us in the Navy and why it disproves the silly flat earth fantasies. The first thing we will have a look at is the design of warships. This is the Swedish Navy's Visby-class corvette. It's a stealth ship built so it will be hard to spot on radar. And this is the Swedish Navy's Gävle-class corvette. And here we have two stealth ships from the US Navy. Let's compare three warships that are built for stealth. No big flat surfaces and so on, but why are they so high? If they were supposed to be invisible, why do they build quite high ships? One of the main reasons is that they want the electronic equipment as radio antennas and radar as high as possible. And if you have a look here on the Gävle corvette, it's the same, radar and radio antennas in the top. The second thing we will have a look at is weapon systems. In modern warfare at sea, anti-ship missiles is one of the more common weapons. On the picture you see the Swedish RBS-15. RBS-15 can be fired from a ship, a fighter jet, or a lorry. Design of warships and weapon systems, how do that prove the horizon and disprove flat earth? Let's have a look at the Visby corvette once again. She is 72.8 meters long and 19.5 meters high. One of the main goals with the design of this ship is to be hard or almost impossible to be spotted on radar. Before they designed the Visby corvettes, they made this test ship that was called Smyge. Smyge was less than half the size of the Visby corvette. She was 27 meters and quite much lower. Let's compare Smyge to a Visby corvette. Both ships have the radar and radio antennas as high as possible. And the reason to that is if you place a radar antenna higher up, you will see further. And the reason for that is simple. It's because of the radar horizon. The radar on the Visby corvette is placed 19.5 meters up, so the radar horizon will be 17 kilometers from the ship. Everybody that have used a radar knows that that is very simple to confirm, because the radar signal moves with the speed of light and the radar can measure how far away a echo is. So when something turns up over the horizon, you know the distance to the horizon. The biggest threat for this ship is missiles fired from another ship or an airplane. Ship is stealth and quite small, makes it hard to see, and the horizon helps it to be hidden. But the enemy will use the horizon too. This is the Polish Navy firing a RBS-15 on an exercise that I was a part of. First it flies high and then it goes very low, close to the surface, and it's hiding behind the horizon so the ship that are attacked don't see it. Here I freeze the frame before they hit the target. In the right side you see the target. To comparison, the RBS 15 is 4.3 meters long, so it's not a big target, and then you can see how very low it flies to the surface of the sea. There it hits the target. At what distance will the Visby corvette spot a missile like this one? The RBS 15 travels in 0.9 Mach, so about 1000 kilometers per hour or 300 meters per second. So it would be possible to see on the radar 50 to 60 seconds before impact. And it's the same with airplanes. They will also use the horizon. All systems on a ship like the Visby corvette is designed for be used on the globe. Placement of radars, the weapon systems uses the curvature of the Earth, and so on. Because modern military forces have more long-range weapon systems, the curvature of the Earth have become a more important part of development of weapon systems and the development of tactics. During the Falklands War, the Argentinians used the horizon to sink HMS Sheffield. I made a video about that one before, but I'm planning to do a new, better version of it. Please note where the radars and the antennas are placed on this ship. Anybody who works on a military vessel knows that this is 100% true. The horizon is a fact and it's used on military ships. But fools like Flatzoid, Nathan Oakley and Brian's Logic don't believe it. Only proves their ignorance. Incomes from this channel goes to buying drones for Ukraine, and PayPal donations are used for buying kamikaze drones. A big thank you to all that helps me. I have some news regarding the drones and what's happening in Ukraine, but I will come back to that in a later video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit like, subscribe, become a member. Or why not come back when next time I'm showing a video. Have a nice day, see you soon, bye.